Hi guys, just quick update lang sa live dito sa France. So, it's September 18, Monday 2023, and last August na sa Pinas ako, and I'm with my family. It's after 7 years nakauwi din ako with my family. We had um a great time, nagbanding kami, pero nakakaloka lang yung mga gastusin doon. Ayun. Pero anyway, gusto ko lang mag-update. Hindi lang ako, nakaka-overwhelm lang. Super grateful lang talaga ako din kay God sa mga ginagawa niya sa buhay naming magkapatid. Thanks God. Um, He's really faithful. Meron lang akong kailan lang nung pinagpe-pray namin, just this year lang din na pinagpe-pray namin na sana makalipat na din kami ng tirahan namin kasi dito sa tinitirahan namin, siguro 4 years na kami dito. Or I mean 3 years. 3 years siguro na kami dito. And we've outgrown yung place. Especially now, nananahin na ako, and of course I wanted to invest more time sa pananahi ko sa paggawa ng boutique dito sa France. So we really need um additional place, and then our friends called us. Hindi ko alam kung paano ko umpisahan kung paano, kasi sobrang bilis. It's like for example, we're praying, okay, let's see. Today it's like the last quarter of the year. Okay, let's say third quarter of the year, we were already, I think and I believe it's God who impressed to our heart na mag-move na slowly. And then I'm really praying for it. And then gawa pa nga ako ng small letter tapos meron pang image na kung saan yung tirahan, yung apartment namin nasa taas, tapos merong parang maliit na space kung saan pwede mag-boutique. Yung binigay ni God ang galing. Yung saktong place na gusto ko, kung saan yung gusto ko, doon yung binigay niya yung New Year. Dati kasi, nung, ang gulo ko magkwento. Basta yun, yun yung binigay niya. Sobrang grateful ako, as in yun. Sobrang ginawa niyang smooth yung paglipat namin. Lahat talaga umaayon. Kasi nung binanggit sa akin ng kapatid ko yung tungkol dyan, nasa Pinas ako, and then nai-stress pa ako kasi yung aking sweldo hindi sapat lang siya sa kung saan kami nakatira ngayon. Ngayon yung sinasabi nilang titirahan namin na gusto ko dati pa, available na daw. Hindi pala yun yung gusto ko. Pero doon sa building na yun, merong naging space kung saan ang baba niya is parang wine. Nagbebenta ng wine, o, 'di ba? Malay nyo sa susunod doon ako magbubutik. Yeah! Sana mangyari, God. So, yun yung binigay ni God. Tapos, ang problema kaso doon, mahal siya. Hindi ko siya afford. Kung dalawa lang kami ng kapatid ko, mahihirapan kami. Parang lahat ng susulduin namin doon lang mapupunta. But, ang galing talaga ni God kasi parang ang pinagpe ko lang na if it's really His will, it's his bill. Char. Um, uh, if it's really, if it's, kung will talaga yun ni God, ibibigay niya sa amin. Tapos, tutulungan niya kami, ganon. Tapos, yun naman, tapos, little we did know na yung time na pag-visit namin doon, meron pala kaming isa ring ka-churchmate na naghahanap din. Eh, yung tumulong, yung nagsabi sa, which is si Ate Joy. Her name is Ate Joy. She's single and ready to mingle. Char. Pero yon. Tapos yon, yung mga ka-church namin na nag-help sa amin para maghanap ng panibagong tirahan, sila din yung nagsabi kay Ate Joy na i-visit yung bahay na yon. And then, nung day na i-visit na namin yung, hindi bahay, yung apartment na yon, doon na lang kami nagkita-kita na, kami pala yung magkakaano. So, kami naman, sige, tignan lang natin. We're not sure of it. And then, but then, nung araw na din na yon, it's really, it's really God's will kasi everything was so smooth. Everything is yung landlord namin kabait, tapos yung si Tita Nits na tumulong sa amin maghanap ng apartment, she really helped us and guarantee yung aming landlord na we will be okay. So, sobrang laki din ng tulong ni Tita Nits kasi dahil may tiwala sa kanya yung landlord, half lang ng deposit, binigay na sa amin yung susi kahapon. And then, today, nagmo-move na kami ng mga things namin. So, really, I'm praising God and glorifying Him for everything that is happening in our life. There's still struggle, pero God is really faithful. Kung kakapit lang talaga lang tayo kay God, if we will just focus ourselves with Jesus and always ask for His guidance and help us to show us His will, everything will be okay. Not just okay, but really great. No, if it's God's plan, it's really great. So yeah, I'll update you again next time if we were moved to the new apartment. Kung nandun na kami. Bye!